Hi, this is Genesis, aka Patricia Javier, the source. From the bottom of my heart, I love you.
Y'all know the name. The source.
Doing my job, 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 doing my job.
Naman, wala namang bawian dahil kung gusto mong umiscore ng siyempre tira ka lang ng tira eh. Pero ang maganda doon, mga teammates ko, LA, JJ, Chris, and si Taha, they all stepped up. We need players more like that, lalo na kung, if I can score, nandiyan naman sina LA, sina JJ, si Chris, para hindi lang nakakonsentrate yung depensa sa akin at saka kay LA. Sana maging dire-diretso siya. Maganda naman yung tinatakbo ng team namin. Everyone's good, I hope everyone stays healthy like me. Sa mga fans, huwag na kayong mag-worry dahil okay naman ako ngayon and I'm 100%. You guys don't need to worry. I'll be there Friday and Sunday.